Okay, so welcome back to the Rat Wagon. I haven't even made up a name for it yet. These are just some magnetic trays I put there to think about, where would the lights look good at? Because I'm gonna, even though it's gonna be a hand pull, I'm still gonna put some lights on it, just for the heck of it. So today I got my Mickey Mouse. I got my front axle mounted the way I think I'm gonna want it. Now I have my Ackerman steering pieces, come out here like this. So when you move the tongue of the handle, move the tires. Oh, yeah, I knew I had another wheel around here somewhere. This one says 4x6, but it's thicker. It's bigger than those, so I got to find another 4x6. Of course, that's also a Ching Shin tire, so maybe their 4x6 is bigger over in China. And then for, let's see, I did sand and paint that wheel, but one of the other things I did was get a piece in here. We got it tack welded in, and then we'll see where we go with that. I may put a little top on it, I may not. I thought about using full extension drawer guys and put them in here and put where the top slides back like that. Then you can slide it back and lock stuff in there. Like, when you go to the swap meets, you want to lock something in there, and your kid's sitting here. And another thing I was considering for people who don't have pickup trucks, but they have a receiver hitch, I figured out a way to put this on here, welded to the frame, where you can pick this up and slide it into the receiver hitch. And now it's a cargo rack on the back of your vehicle, as well as something to pull your kid in and carry junk on. And then maybe put like find one of those handle igloo coolers. You go right here, those kind of have this sort of a shape like a flathead engine, and paint the top, or either put some little bread pans on either side like valve covers and decorate that up, or just put two steel pieces here and put some tin over this and use that for another cargo area, whatever you want to do. It's just something I want to do. I thought would be a cool thing to build in between building kayaks and stuff. You can see the kayak is, I'm waiting for parts. So right now it's sitting there kind of a mess. I'm waiting for parts. By the time this video comes out, the kayak will be finished. Well, truly, is anything ever finished? And I think instead of painting this, I'm just going to take some clear polyurethane and spray it, leave it like that. So, okay, we'll see y'all in the next episode of the Rat Wagon. And if you got a name for it, let me know. Rat Rod Wagon, Wheelbarrow Wagon, Radio Fire Rat Rod Wagon, whatever it might be. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment and thumbs up. Thank you.